A political exchange over Rahul Gandhi's comments on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's foreign policy has now drawn a response from the government, with the External Affairs Ministry stressing the importance of India's ties with Italy. MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said on August 14 that India's relationship with Italy had strengthened and expanded in recent years. He said diplomatic engagement should be based on mutual respect and that public discourse should reflect the same. The ministry's response came after remarks made by Rahul Gandhi at an event on August 13th. Gandhi had criticized Modi's approach to foreign policy and argued that it was being reduced to personal gestures with foreign leaders. He then used a hug with Congress leader Sandeep Dixit to illustrate his point. Dixit made a reference to Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, prompting Gandhi to respond that he had not reached there yet. The exchange led to a BJP attack on both leaders. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh termed Gandhi's comments about the Prime Minister and India's foreign policy as extremely low standard and condemnable. He also argued that such remarks lowered the dignity of the leader of opposition. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey sought to counter Gandhi's argument by posting photographs of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi with Fidel Castro and Yasser Arafat, along with an image of Rahul Gandhi embracing Modi in Parliament.